Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rename Samsung Internet tab group on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the Samsung Internet app. Then tap on the tabs button at the bottom, and from here go back to all tabs, and then open up a tab group that you want to rename. Then you can tap on the menu key at the top, and from the menu tap on rename tab group, and here we can say tab group number 2 with a word number 2, and then tap on rename. Okay, so that is how you can rename a tab group. And in here you can see now it shows tab group 2. Now if you touch and hold onto that, you can also tap on the rename button at the bottom here, and again this will have a pop-up that allows you to change the tab group name. Then tap on the rename button, and that's it. So those are the two different ways how you can rename the Samsung Internet tab group on the Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.